Hello again. In this video, I'm going to put together logging in and joining a Padlet. So once you have already signed up, you now have several options of accessing your Padlet or logging into your Padlet. One is to type here Padlet, going back to the site and click login. The other option is if you have previously accessed Padlet, the chances are that site has already been saved in your browser. So it could be in your shortcut menu. So you may just click dashboard because this icon is for Padlet. Now it will take you to um, some options for signing in again. One is typing in your email and your password, the password that you use to sign up on Padlet. And the other option is log in with Google or Microsoft. In my case, I will log in using Google because I am logged in Google Chrome as Lucena Castillo Miranda at gmail.com. So this is what I'm going to click, and then it will take me to my Padlet under that email. So let's just wait for a while. So now when you're going to join a Padlet, there are also some options to have access on that Padlet, but I usually use join a Padlet. So you're going to click join a Padlet, and your supervisor or your friend should have sent you the link to the Padlet that you want to access. In my case, I will try this one, which has been sent to me by my supervisor, Dr. Rosie Panganiban. So I'm going to copy it and I'll paste it on the text box and then submit. Again, I hit join a Padlet. This appeared, and then I copy paste the link and submit. Now it took me to the site of Ma'am Rosie Panganiban, SPED Batangas City. That's how I joined the Padlet. Now, if I want to access it again without typing the URL, without copy pasting the URL, I'm going to hit like here. That's how I know it will help you. So when you type click here, and when you type like here, when you click like here, you go back to your dashboard and you don't need to join a Padlet anymore just to access that SPED Batangas City. But you will just click on the options down below your dashboard. You'll have options like, or in this case is on the side. It depends on the screen that you're using. So in this, if it's on your phone, you'll see these choices below your screen or on the lower part of your screen. Here, I'm going to click liked, and then SPED Batangas City is there because I clicked liked. So that's how we join a Padlet.